Secondly, I want to thank our youths and to greet all of you, because from where I stand, I can see the thousands and thousands of youths who are here. May God bless you for believing in the PDP. The reason is that the youths of this country are the ones suffering the most because of the poor unemployment situation and the poverty situation. And in the last 8 months until recently, our youths were at home. They could not go to school. That is not the Nigeria of your dream. And that is not the Nigeria of our dream. The President Atiku in 2023 has promised us that he's going to pay special attention to education. And we know he will do it. He runs an effective and efficient university. And he chose me, one of your own, to be his vice presidential candidate. When all other state universities and when the federal universities were on strike, the 4 universities we have in Delta State that are state universities never went on strike, because we know the importance of education and we pay special attention to them. And we are going to pay special attention to the youth of this country. He has also promised us that he's going to ensure that as many of you that want to be entrepreneurs, he's going to provide funds, money for you to be able to develop your own businesses. And that is what we do in Delta State. If you go and ask the youth of Delta State, they are not on the street begging, because we know what is right for our youths. Our youths are, so many of them in thousands, are entrepreneurs, because we train them, we provide them with money, and we move ahead to ensure that we monitor their businesses to success. That is what Atiku is going to do for you. Nigerians and Nigerian youths will never go back hungry. They will not go back to bed hungry. That situation will be a thing of the past as long as you vote for Atiku. I am very convinced, looking at our youth here, that it is settled in Ondo State, because your votes will come to Atiku. And I'm convinced that across the country, that it is well with Atiku candidacy. He is going to be the next president to ensure that your votes count. Because I know that with Beavers, your votes will count. They cannot steal our votes any longer. We are winning the next elections. So just stay focused. Go from room to room, from house to house, and from home to home, from school to school. Go and campaign. And it is well for us in the PDP. God bless the youth of Ondo State.
This time, when the builder refuse, now he come back, come be the cornerstone.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Our guy is going to go around and wave at them now.
This time, when the builder refuse, now he come back, come be the cornerstone. This time, when the builder refuse, now he come back, come be the cornerstone. Aremu Atiku kìkì ọlá oko wa o, now he come back, come be the cornerstone. Atiku lórúkọ, Atiku Abubakar ẹgbẹ́, ó yà fi Atiku lẹ́hìn lẹ́yìn o. Atiku for president, Atiku lẹ́sìn o. Atiku for president, baba. Atiku lẹ́sìn o, baba ń jó fújì. Atiku for president, 20 Atiku lẹ́sìn o, baba o. Atiku for president. Atiku for president, 2023. Atiku lẹ́sìn o. Atiku for president. Atiku làwọn ìgbésẹ̀, Atiku làwọn ìgbésẹ̀.
Thank you. Àwọn tó bá gba Atiku níbí kan náà. Àwọn tó bá gba Atiku kan náà wọ́n sókè. Kí n tó gbé microphone fún Atiku, mo fẹ́ kọrin òṣùpá fún Atiku, ọmọ ọlọ́mọ láàrin èrò.
àṣà. Oyinlola ọba wọn yẹ lára. Fìlàyìnà ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti lọ sọ̀rọ̀. Fìlàyìnà
Thank you. Welcome me. Orin yẹn parí pé Rọgẹ́dìtì ló sọmọdí kíni? Rọgẹ́dìtì ló sọmọdí. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to listen to the golden voice of the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria by the grace of God, the Adamawa son, who is a true Nigerian son, Atiku Abubakar.
Thank you very much. PDP. I beg, make I hear your voice now. PDP. Power to the people. PDP.
Power.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ondo people. We have started our campaign rally from Ondo State in the southwest. It is deliberate because we want to show you that we appreciated what you have done to us in the last election. You have given us the highest votes in the southwest. We will never forget you. That is why, if you repeat the support again, we promise we will definitely deal with insecurity. We will eliminate it. We will also make sure that all the federal roads linking Ondo State with other parts of the country are made very motorable. Of course, I have also undertaken to make sure that our young men and women, you are the one who are gathered here today. You are the one who are suffering in the sun today. And you are the one who are going to vote for us and protect the votes for us. We promise you we will set aside enough money to make sure that we empower you for your jobs, for your security, and for your families. That is why in our policy documents, we said we are going to set aside $10 billion to make sure that we provide small and medium enterprises for young men and women to create jobs and to empower themselves. Is our number one priority. We must empower our young men and women so that they can have brighter future for themselves and their families. Our people of Ondo State, we have also promised that we shall, by the grace of God, we provide enough funding for education so that our universities can continue with their work. Not what the APC are doing today. Today, more than 8 months, our universities have closed. And simply because they don't care about their education, they don't care about their future. We promise it will not be the same again. You can compare what the PDP has done in its 14 years and what the APC has done in their 8 years. You are worst off. Are you not? Are you not? You want a repeat of APC again?
No!
You want a repeat of AC again?
Ọlọ́mọdé.
Lie.
we want to thank you very much for being here with us all day today, for being patient with us all day today. God bless you all. PDP! PDP! Power to the people.
With that speech, we have come to the end of this program. Shall we remain where we are as we take the national anthem?